Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the top 5 best mid-drive electric bikes and perfect for everyday use. If you're planning to buy a mid-drive electric bikes, make sure to watch this video till the end because one of these might be perfect for you. So let's get started. Number 1. Gotrax 20-inch folding electric bike. Gotrax 20-inch folding electric bike with 40 miles pedal assist 1x48V battery, 20 miles per hour power by peak 500W, adult electric bicycle with 5 pedal assist levels and LCD display, suitable for commuting. Bike type electric bike. Age range description adult. Brand Gotrax. Number of speeds 5. Color white. Wheel size 20 inches. Frame material aluminum. Suspension type rigid. Special feature foldable, lightweight, portable. Included components charger electric bike. Powerful riding performance discover adventure with the Gotrax R1 e-bike. Equipped with 20-inch 2.6 tires and a potent 48V battery. Conquer any terrain commuting, campus, park and beyond. With a peak power of 500W, the powerful motor allows you to reach a max speed of 20 miles per hour with ease. Whether for work, school or outdoor exploration, the R1 electric bike fulfills needs. Effortless control experience peak efficiency and convenience with our e-bike featuring a spacious smart display, granting easy access to crucial ride data. Charge the 48V/7.8Ah battery in 5.5 hours via 2 options, for up to 15.5 miles pure electric or 25 miles PS range. Whether commuting or leisure riding, this e-bike delivers unmatched versatility and performance. Foldable and portable design. Gotrax's foldable electric bikes offer outdoor enjoyment with compact portability. They fit in car trunks or subways for smooth commutes, unfolding easily for adventures. Folded size 37.4*17.7 27.5 inch. Pre-ride. Ensure proper battery installation. Turn the key clockwise to the end to activate battery. Reliable component. Our tailor-made transmission system is built to withstand the beach and mountain terrain, ensuring utmost durability. Dual disc brakes ensure potent stopping, enhancing safety and comfort. Enhanced visibility via bell, LED headlight, and rear reflector ensures night rides are as secure as daytime. With these safety elements, ride confidently regardless of time or road conditions. Number 2. Bycco 6000W Peak Dual Motor Electric Bike for Adults, 52V32Ah battery, max 45 miles per hour and 100 miles, full suspension, hydraulic brake, fat tire e-bikes for men women. Bike type electric bike. Age range adult. Brand Bycco. Number of speeds 7. Color white/black. Wheel size 24 inches. Frame material aluminum. Suspension type dual. Special feature adjustable seat, headlight, multi-speed, peak 6000W dual brushless motors, 52V32Ah lithium battery with BMS intelligent safety, full suspension, dual hydraulic disc brakes, 7-speed gear, phone holder with 5V charger, lockable and removable battery, 45 miles per hour max speed, 40 degrees uphill 200 Nm, 3.5-inch smart LCD display, 1000 plus cycles battery, taillight adjustable seat, headlight, multi-speed, peak 6000W dual brushless motors, 52V32Ah lithium battery with BMS intelligent safety, full suspension dual hydraulic disc brake, 6000W peak 45 miles per hour dual motors e-bike, long range 52V32Ah battery, professional full suspension and 24 inches fat tire, precise hydraulic disc brakes and 7-speed. Easy assembly and 12-month warranty. Number 3. YVY 1500W Peak Electric Bike for Adults. YVY 1500W Peak Electric Bike for Adults, 35 miles per hour top speed 48V20Ah battery e-bike. UL 2849 certified mountain e-bike for hill climbing, 20-inch fat tire all-terrain full suspension. Bike type electric bike. Age range teen/adult. Brand Bycco. Number of speeds 7. Color black 1500W/20Ah. Wheel size 20 inches. Frame material high carbon steel. Suspension type dual. Special feature dual disc brake, dual suspension, fenders, headlight, taillight. Included components battery, charger, horn, tool kit, User Manual. Number 4. TST Electric Bike for Adults. TST Electric Bike for Adults. 1500W peak motor 60 miles fat tire bike with 48V 15Ah removable battery 20-inch fat tire electric bike. Full suspension and 7-speed. Bike type electric bike. Age range adult. Brand TSTR PLLC. Number of speeds 7. Color black. Wheel size 20 inches. Frame material aluminum. Suspension type dual. Special feature LCD display. Included components toolkit. 750W powerful motor, 1500W peak, with multiple speed settings for smooth city and off-road riding. 48V15 a removable battery with 40 to 60 miles range and 6 to 7 hours fast charging. Front and rear suspension plus 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires for a comfortable and stable ride on all terrains. Bright front light, tail light and mechanical disc brakes for enhanced safety. 7-speed gears, 3 riding modes, an LCD display for a personalized riding experience. 90% pre-assembled, supports up to 450 pounds, and includes a 180-day warranty. Number 5. Electric Bike for Adults. Electric Bike for Adults. 26-inch step-through e-bike with 1000W peak motor, 50 miles 20 miles per hour adult electric bicycles with 48V internal removable battery, adjustable stem, 7-speed, UL 2849 certified. Bike type electric bike for adults, adult electric bicycle, commuter e-bike, urban e-bike, cruiser e-bike, road bike electric bike for adults, adult electric bicycle, commuter e-bike, urban e-bike, cruiser e-bike, road bike. Age range adult. Brand Loke. Number of speeds 7. Color blue. Wheel size 26 inches. Frame material high carbon steel. Suspension type front. 500W motor, peak 1000W. 48V removable internal battery. Step-through e-bike. Front suspension fork. Adjustable stem. Rear rack. 7-speed. LCD display. Dual disc brakes. 5 working modes. Powerful 1000W peak motor with 20 miles per hour top speed and 55 Nm torque for city and off-road rides. 48V removable battery with up to 50 miles range. Fast charging, waterproof and anti-theft design. Adjustable seat and handlebar with step-through frame, front suspension, and dual disc brakes for comfort and safety. 7-speed gear system, LCD display, rear rack and mudguards for a smooth daily commuting experience. 5 riding modes including pure electric, pedal assist, cruise and normal bike mode for flexible riding. 85% pre-assembled with 12-month warranty, lifetime support, and UL certified safety standards. So that was our list of the top 5 best mid-drive electric bikes. Let me know in the comments which one you like the most. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.